Okay, in this video we have created our page, and now we want to create other pages for this particular company website. And what we would do is, instead of copying and pasting code from one page to the next, what you can do is you can create what's called the Dreamweaver template. So in Dreamweaver, I'm going to click somewhere in the code view here. You have to make sure that you're in the code view and not up here in the live view. And then you can go to File, Save As Template. And we're going to give it a name. I'm going to call this Bento Template. And I'm going to click Save. And update links. Yes, that's fine. So now what this does is, I'm going to close this down and click OK. And then I'm going to open it back up. Okay. All right, so that's much better. So if you take a look at the file structure, and let me go to my Finder, you'll see that in that folder with our site, you have a new folder called Templates, and we have the new template here. So what we can do with this template is we can define, you'll notice that there's added extra code. Template begin editable name equals doc title, so you can edit the doc title. Template end editable. So whatever is not within an editable region can't be edited. So a person that's working on this that doesn't have access to the files, they wouldn't be able to edit these regions. So right now the page is kind of useless to us because we can't edit anything within the certain sections. So looking at this, like this first section, maybe that's constant. Maybe we want that to stay the same for the entire site. So I wouldn't want to make that an editable region. But then this footer section, we also don't want to make that an editable region either. So the way that you can do this, the full width hero should be able to change. So I'm going to select this. And then I want to make that into an editable region. So I'm going to insert template, editable region. The keyboard shortcut there is Command Option V, and I'm just going to call this hero and click OK. And notice that it adds this code to that section. And then this section for products, connected all the time, we'll do the same thing. So insert template, an editable region. We'll call this products. Click OK. Again, it adds the extra code for that. And then services. Insert template, editable region. Just call this services. Click OK. The footer is not going to be editable, right? And then the main. So we've created all the editable regions. Now we just need to save that. And then I'm going to close the template. So if I want to create a new page that's based on that template now, so when I go to File, New, and you'll see in the New Document dialog box, you'll see Site Templates. And then you'll see in my site that I'm working on right now, here's the Bento template, update page when template changes. So if any changes are made in the template, this will change as well. So if I go ahead and click create, it'll create a new page that's based on that. Now, so let's see if I go up here and I try to select that section, you notice that I can't do anything. I can't make any changes to this because it's not in an editable region. But if I were to select this section, I should be able to make changes to it. Since it is in it, no, that's not an editable region. I didn't add that. So the hero space is, I should be able to make a change to that. This section is, so you can see I can select this text. This is a new section. So we can change that. We can update this as well. We can update that. We can update these images. We can change all this text. So that's the advantage here of this. So let's save this as a new page, File, Save As. And it's going to save it into our site folder. And I'll just call this new page and click Save. Okay. So now let's see what happens if I go File, Open Recent, and I open up my template file. And if I were to make a change here, let's say in the template file, if the company name changes, right, and I save that change, you'll see that the change gets reflected in the page that we made from the template. So that's Dreamweaver Templates, a really quick and easy way to create and build multiple pages from a single source.